Zolga, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the second question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. That's from the Bluebook app, the harder set of math questions. Number 2 reads, of 900,000 beads, 828,000 are silver. What percentage of the beads are silver? And as you may know, every fraction is part over whole times 100. So what's your part here? It's 828,000. What's your whole? It's 900,000. And then you multiply that by 100 to get the percent. What you might notice is that it's definitely more than half, and it looks like it's close to 100%. Looks like 92% has to be your answer. So how do you know what your answer is? Yeah, plug it into Desmos. 828,000 over 900,000 times 100 will in fact give you 92. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with converting fractions to percents. So any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.